Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm at MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our newly arrived 250 Sun Deck. This boat is equipped with the 300 outboard Mercury Verado, and I'm going to do a little outside profile of the boat and then show you the inside. It does come equipped with the watersports tower on it. Coming around the back of the boat, we'll see here we got the white matching Mercury 300 Verado V8 outboard motor. This boat has some cool features, got underwater lights, and then going up into the back of the boat, you can see here, we'll go over this, but you got the rear firing speakers and the hangout area on the back, and then I'll show you the rest of the boat when we get inside. All right, so here we are in the inside this 250 Sun Deck. This has a side walkthrough, so pretty unique, and they do that so that you can have the head on the boat, but really cool layout up here. You can sit kind of like a living room layout, cup holders and speakers. A lot of nice space up here, nice attention to detail on the stitching. And then we'll come around here to the helm and I'll show you. So here is the head. Very nice big head. And then you can lay a pad in there and you can actually go down there and lay down if you want to cover up. This flips down and covers up the toilet, and you have a little layout area down in there. Nice big helm, comfortable bench seat with bolster, big Simrad controls, fusion stereo. And then over here for the co-captain, you have the adjustable seat, so you got the nice big comfortable seat. Flips either way, so you can put your feet up and lounge out. All right, so really cool cockpit area, really set up congregational setup. You can have the table, you got cup holders. And what's really cool about this, if you want to open up the space a little bit, you can just pull this lever and slide it back, and it really adds a ton of room. And what's cool is this flips, and you can sit on this side, and then of course you can pull it back, and then you just have all this awesome area hanging out back here. You got the speakers and just chilling out. So come on out, check out this 250 Sun Deck at MarineMax with the 300 Mercury Verado. It's going to be online on our website. It's here at the store. Or you can call us at 864-236-9005.